Welcome. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking shift that's reshaping how people in Japan interact with both their everyday money and the world of cryptocurrency. Japan's financial landscape is evolving rapidly, and a new partnership is at the heart of this transformation. For years, Japan has been a leader in digital innovation, but now something even bigger is happening. Imagine sitting in your favorite cafe, sipping coffee, and using the same app you use to pay for your drink to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's no longer just a futuristic idea, it's a reality. Binance Japan, one of the world's most recognized crypto exchanges, has teamed up with PayPay, the country's most popular mobile payment platform. This collaboration is more than just a business deal. It's a leap forward for financial technology in Japan. By joining forces, they've created a seamless, secure bridge between traditional yen and digital assets. Now, moving your money from your PayPay wallet into crypto is as easy as sending a text message. In the past, buying crypto in Japan was a hassle. You had to deal with lengthy bank transfers, fill out forms, and wait for approvals. It was slow, confusing, and often intimidating for newcomers. But now, with this new integration, you can use your PayPay balance to buy crypto instantly, just like you'd pay for your morning coffee or lunch with friends. It's fast, familiar, and fits right into your daily routine. This change isn't just for tech-savvy investors. It opens the door for everyone, students, parents, professionals, and even seniors, to access the world of digital assets with confidence and ease. The main goal here is convenience and speed. Whether you want to invest, react to market changes, or simply explore crypto, you can do it all instantly from your phone, wherever you are. With PayPay's trusted wallet now connected to Binance Japan, users can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies with just a few taps. No complicated steps, no waiting. This isn't just another app feature. It's a signal that cryptocurrency is becoming a real part of everyday financial life in Japan, moving from the fringes into the mainstream. As digital payments become more common, the boundaries between traditional money and crypto are fading. People are starting to see both as tools for managing their finances side by side. Thanks to the partnership between PayPay and Binance Japan, cryptocurrency is no longer just for specialists. It's now woven into the fabric of daily life, making the future of finance more accessible, inclusive, and exciting for everyone. Let's quickly meet the two key players behind this exciting new partnership that's changing how people in Japan interact with both money and digital assets. Binance Japan is a secure, regulated crypto exchange where you can buy and trade digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's designed for both beginners and experienced traders, offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from. As the Japanese branch of one of the world's largest crypto platforms, Binance Japan brings global expertise and advanced security to local users. It operates under strict Japanese regulations, ensuring your assets are protected and your trading experience is safe and reliable. With features like two-factor authentication and robust customer support, Binance Japan is committed to making crypto trading accessible and secure for everyone. PayPay, on the other hand, is Japan's most popular mobile payment app, used by millions for cashless shopping. Whether you're buying groceries, grabbing coffee, or shopping online, PayPay makes payments quick and easy. You load money into PayPay from your bank, then pay by scanning a QR code. It's accepted at over 4 million stores across Japan, making it a staple in everyday life for people of all ages. From young professionals to families and even seniors, PayPay's simple interface and widespread acceptance have made it a trusted tool for daily transactions. The integration uses PayPay Money, funds linked to your verified bank account, which can be withdrawn as cash. This means your digital wallet is always connected to your real-world finances, giving you flexibility and control. PayPay points, earned through purchases, can now also be used to buy crypto. These points are a reward for using PayPay, and now they open the door to digital investing, letting you grow your rewards in new ways. Before, your crypto wallet and daily spending wallet were separate. Managing your investments and your everyday spending meant juggling different apps and accounts, which could be confusing and time-consuming. Now your PayPay balance flows directly into Binance Japan, making investing seamless. You can move funds instantly, without the hassle of complicated transfers or waiting periods. This partnership combines Binance's secure trading with PayPay's everyday convenience. It's a powerful blend of global crypto expertise and local payment simplicity, designed to fit perfectly into your daily routine. The result? A simple, intuitive way for millions to access crypto. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this integration makes it easier than ever to participate in the digital economy. The line between daily spending and digital investing just disappeared, opening up a world where your money works harder for you, anytime, anywhere. Linking PayPay to Binance Japan makes entering crypto fast and easy. Previously, funding your crypto account meant slow bank transfers and missed opportunities. Now you can move money from PayPay to Binance Japan in seconds. No waiting, no hassle. This speed lets you act on market changes instantly, just like experienced traders. The familiar PayPay interface makes crypto less intimidating for newcomers. Depositing and withdrawing are both instant, so your money is always accessible. Sell crypto? Move the yen back to PayPay and use it for daily purchases. Your crypto is now as liquid as your cash. This integration turns crypto into a practical part of your financial toolkit. Getting started is simple, especially if you already use PayPay. First, set up and verify both your Binance Japan and PayPay accounts. In the Binance Japan app, go to Deposit and select PayPay. Authorize the connection, just a one-time setup. Enter the amount you want to deposit from your PayPay Money or points. Funds appear in your Binance Japan wallet almost instantly. No more waiting for bank transfers or business hours. Start trading right away. Choose your crypto and place a buy order. The whole process, from deposit to trade, takes just minutes. Crypto investing is now as easy as shopping online. The integration is designed to be affordable and accessible. Depositing from PayPay to Binance Japan is free. No hidden fees. The minimum deposit is just 1,000 yen, so anyone can start small. You can trade or deposit funds 24/7, even on weekends and holidays. Withdrawals to PayPay Money have a small flat fee of 110 yen. This transparent fee structure makes it easy to plan your transactions. No more waiting for banks to open. Crypto is always at your fingertips. Low barriers and round-the-clock access make crypto investing open to everyone. It's never been easier to try out digital assets. Security is a top priority for both Binance Japan and PayPay. Mandatory identity verification, KYC, is required before you can link accounts or trade. Funding caps limit how much you can deposit, protecting you from impulsive decisions. Binance Japan provides clear risk warnings about crypto's volatility and potential losses. All connections use strong encryption and secure authentication. Dedicated security teams monitor for suspicious activity 24/7. These measures ensure your funds and data are protected at every step. You can invest with confidence, knowing your security comes first. Not all PayPay balances are eligible for crypto deposits. Only PayPay Money, funds linked to your verified bank account, can be used. PayPay Lite, which comes from credit cards or transfers, is not allowed for crypto. Check your PayPay app to confirm you have enough PayPay Money before depositing. Standard PayPay points can be used to buy crypto, but time-limited promotional points cannot. These rules ensure compliance with regulations and keep transactions secure. Using verified funds and standard points reduces fraud risk. Stick to PayPay Money and standard points for a smooth experience. Understanding these limits helps you avoid issues and trade confidently. This partnership is part of Japan's shift toward a digital, cashless society. Apps like PayPay have changed how people pay, and now, crypto is joining the mix. The government and financial industry are pushing for more digital innovation. By connecting mobile payments and crypto, Binance Japan and PayPay are leading the way. This move normalizes crypto, making it accessible to everyone, not just techies. Expect more payment apps and banks to follow with similar integrations. For consumers, this means more choices and greater convenience. It's a milestone in Japan's digital payment revolution. For everyday users, this integration brings a new level of unmatched convenience to managing your finances. Imagine being able to access your crypto funds, check your balances, and make transactions. All from the same device you use for your daily life. No more waiting in line at the bank or dealing with complicated transfers. Instantly funding your crypto account with PayPay removes traditional barriers and opens up a world of new opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, The process is now faster, easier, and more intuitive than ever before. With a low minimum deposit, anyone can try crypto with minimal risk. This means you don't need a large sum to get started. Just a small amount is enough to explore and learn about digital assets. You can even use your PayPay points to experiment or diversify your savings, all from the comfort of your phone. Managing your finances has never been so flexible or rewarding. Crypto is now more liquid and accessible than ever, giving you the freedom to buy, sell, or hold assets whenever you choose. The power to participate in the digital economy is truly at your fingertips. But it's important to remember, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and come with significant risks. Prices can swing dramatically in a short period, and the market can be unpredictable. Prices can drop quickly, and there are no guarantees of profit. It's possible to lose your investment just as quickly as you made it. That's why it's crucial to always do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Take time to learn, ask questions, and make informed decisions. This partnership marks a huge step forward for finance in Japan, blending innovation with accessibility. But as with any new technology, it's important to use it wisely and responsibly. The future of money is now in your pocket. Embrace the possibilities, but always handle it with care and awareness.